Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to the science class. Today we will continue our unit number 6, materials. I hope all of you remember about what I told you, that what does material mean? All the products that surrounds you in your home, school or play area are made of one material or another. We are surrounded by an incredible arrangement of different materials. All of you remember I told you about the word plastic, fabrics, glass, metal, paper. These all things are present around you. Now today we will study something in detail about the different kinds of materials. First, what we have: paper. Paper is a man-made material. It is made from wood fiber, which is a natural material. It can burn easily. It is used for writing, printing, and packing. All of you know what is the paper on which you are writing, the books you are reading, the newspapers, the money you are using. They all are made from papers. So how the paper made? To make paper, trees are cut down. The fibers from a tree are called cellulose. Conifer trees are often used for paper. Conifer is a type of trees which is often used for making paper, as they have long fibers that make the paper strong. The cellulose is extracted from the wood chips and put into a machine called the digester that breaks down the wood, and by undergoing different type of procedures we get the paper in the form of what we need, like these papers, like the money on which they print the government print the money. Paper is used for writing and printing, for writing your work and printing the books. Books, magazine, and newspapers are printed on paper, as you know. Paper is used for money also. So this is the one type of material, one kind of material, paper, which is widely used in our daily life. All of you have a lot of paper around you in the form of your notebooks, your books, newspapers, printed pages, or you have a paper for the printers to print something if you want to print something from your computers. So many kind of papers you have around you. The next material is metal. Yes, metal. Metals come from rocks called ores. They are strong, hard, and shiny materials that can be hammered or molded into different shapes without breaking. Their properties make them useful for objects such as cutlery, saucepan, cars, and coins. Many metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Remember, I told you about the conductors. What materials are conductors? Which allows electricity or heat to pass through. They are the good conductors. Metals are also the good conductor. That's why our saucepans are made from metals to make food inside them. Most pure metals like aluminum, silver, and copper come from the Earth's crust. It's a natural thing. It comes out from the Earth's, you can say, under the surface of the Earth. They are found in ores, solid materials called minerals, usually occurring in rocks, in the form of rocks. By the different type of undergoes different process, then we get the metal in which form we need, like this. Okay, usually occurring in rocks from which the pure metal has to be extracted. That's we have a lot of procedure undergoes, then we get the metal in the pure form. The properties of pure metals can be improved by mixing them with other metals. Whatever the things you want to make, then you can change their shapes, their styles, and everything by hammer or molded into different shapes. This is another type of material, what you are using at your home, in your kitchen. Even your cars are made of metals. The next material is plastic. Plastic is very important and widely used in our life. Almost everything, or you can say most of the things, are made from plastics, what we are using. Plastics are materials that are not found naturally, but are made from chemicals. They are strong and waterproof and can be made into any shape or color. Many plastics can be made transparent, just like your water bottles. They are transparent. Transparent means that from which you can see through. They are not magnetic and do not conduct heat or electricity. Understand? Plastic do not conduct heat. Metal conduct heat and electricity, but the plastic do not. Plastics are used to make all sorts of things, such as plastic bags, plastic bottles, toys, and even the furnitures also. Plastic is very useful because it can be colored, melted, shaped, squashed, rolled into sheets, or made into fibers. Plastic is used to make ropes that are very strong. Other things like fishing nets, fishing net is also made from plastic and it's very strong. Your toys, you are playing with the toys, and most of them are made by plastic. Even your furniture like this chair, even you have the tables in your houses which are made by plastic. Nowadays, the use of plastic becomes in high demands. Everything, look around you, take a look that how many things are made by plastic in your room. Then you will find that so many things are there around you which are made by plastic. After the plastic, which kind of material we are reading? The glass. Let's see. Glass. Glass is made by melting sand. Can you imagine? Sand. Glass is made by melting sand. It is normally transparent and can be made into many different shapes. Thick glass can be strong, but thin glass will break very easily, like in your glasses. If it fell down on the floor, then it can be break. Your window glasses are also not very strong. Glass is used for objects that need to be transparent, such as windows and spectacles. Why they are transparent on window glass? Because we need to see outside through our windows. They're transparent. Look, all these are transparent. When you put anything inside it, then you can easily see from outside. Mostly the glass are transparent. Sometimes they are also colored. Glass is a useful material because it can be used for a variety of things. Glass is useful for the formation of glass lenses, containers like this, and windows and windscreen. Your car windscreen is also made by glass. Glass containers are popular because it stores something without blocking light. It means you can see inside easily that what is inside this glass container. So they are usually transparent. Okay, then what we have, the last kind of material, fibers. Fibers are long, thin threads of material like hair. Fibers are like hair. Fibers are not very strong on their own. but when they are spun together, they can be made into thread, string, or rope. The thread can be woven into fabric or cloth, just like the dress you are wearing. It is made by fibers. Fiber is the kind of yarn. Yarn is the kind of thread the fabric is made from. From the fiber, the fabric is made from, and from the fabric, your dresses are made. A yarn might be cotton or silk or polyester or rayon. A fabric might be denim or satin or jersey or gabardine. These are the different type of fabrics from which your dresses are made. Like cotton fiber is used to make cotton fabric. On the other hand, fiber is obtained from natural sources such as plants and animals, or it could be synthetic. Synthetic means by the artificial process. We can make fibers artificially also. And then with the help of fibers, it goes very long procedures. Then you have your dresses, your bed sheets, your towels. They are all made from fibers or fabrics. From fibers, we get the fabrics. Then from the fabrics, we get our clothes and other things like your bed sheets, your sofa covers, your towels, hats, socks. Then from the fabrics, you have all these things. Okay, this is all about the different kinds of material. Now we have our exercise. Let's see what we have, what they are asking. They're asking, what am I? What am I means there is a sentence you need to find out that what is this. Okay, let's read number 1. I am made from chemicals and do not conduct electricity. Remember, what is this? It is plastic made from chemicals. When we were reading plastic, then they told us that it is not a natural thing. It comes from the chemicals. It is a man-made thing. So, from chemicals and do not conduct electricity. It is plastic. I am made from wood and can burn easily. It's a paper. Paper can burn very easily. Number 3, I am strong and can be changed into any shape by hammering. It is metal. Metal is strong and we can hammer it to have any shape. It's a metal. Number 4, I am transparent and can break easily. Just think what it is. Transparent and can break easily. It's a glass. Number 5, I am a thread used to weave cloth. What is this? It's a fiber. I told you fiber is like a thread and used to weave cloth. Okay. Now again, they are asking name the term for. What is this? Number 1, materials that are not found naturally but are made from chemicals. Again, whenever you see the word chemicals, made from chemicals, it means it's a plastic. Strong, hard, and shiny materials that can be hammered into different shapes without breaking. What is this? Metal. Materials through which heat can travel easily. Yes, what is it? Conductor. We call these materials the type of material. What is the property of this material? It's a conductor. Materials that are attracted to magnets. They are magnetic, like iron. The materials that are attracted to magnets are magnetic materials. The example is iron, or you can write steel also. Materials that is difficult to scratch. It's a rock. You cannot scratch easily. It's very difficult to break or to scratch the rock. Material that is easy to bend. What is this material? It is fabric. It means it's a flexible. You have studied in the previous lecture. I told you the flexible thing is the fabric. You can easily bend them. Now come to the next page. What is on number 7? Material that is very difficult to break. What this material is? It's a stone. Number 8, material that does not let water pass through. These materials are waterproof, like plastic, or as I told you, leather or glass also. These materials are waterproof materials, plastic. Number 9, long thin threads of material like hair. Like hair, what it is? It's a fiber. Number 10, any material through which electricity can travel easily. It's a metal. Okay? No question answers in this unit. Only you have to find out. It's these, just like the riddles, that you need to find the name of these things which they are asking. Now the exercise number C here, you have to do it by your own self. It's your assignment that you have to do it by yourself. What they are asking, are there any tasks for which paper is not suitable? Think and talk to your friend about it. Now you are at the home, so you think and talk to your family members. Then write your findings that for what tasks paper is not suitable. I think paper is not suitable for what? You think and you write by yourself. And you need to give the reason also. This is because why? They need the reason also. Okay, children? The unit has finished. So that's all for today.